In this video, I'm going to show you how we can easily reduce a resolution of iPhone photos. Basically, I mean that I'm gonna show you how to reduce photos file sizes. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. First off, guys, let me open up Camera app, and now I'm gonna take a photo. And now let me show you how we can easily reduce that photo's quality. To do that, we can use WhatsApp or Telegram. I think you have one of these apps installed on your iPhone. I'm gonna use WhatsApp now, so if you got WhatsApp, just open it up. Then open up any conversation. I'm just gonna open up a conversation with myself. And then all we have to do is just send that photo here. To do that, I'm gonna tap at plus, select photo and video library, and then we can just select a photo we would like to send. We can select multiple photos at once, and once we send that photo, on the next step we need to tap on it to open it up. Then tap right here at share, and then tap at save. That will save this photo back to your photos gallery. As you can see now, I got two photos here. However, the original photo has 3.3 megabytes file size. However, the outcome photo has 219 kilobytes. So that's how we can reduce file size really quick and easy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.